good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night, you guys. We are on a road trip. We are on a road trip. We discovered this huge kiddie park with no age restriction, and we finally took Tyler here, and he can get to go in bounce-a-bout, go in every single ride without any age restriction. And you guys know I'm super excited about it. So they have bounce-a-bout, they have every little thing you can think of, and he is ready to go. Oh, you're welcome. You're gonna jump?
So you going with him?
Yeah.
It's hot.
Hmm?
It's hot.
Yeah, it feels hot.
It's hot.
On va leur remettre peut-être un petit peu de crème.
Hot like crazy.
Sit on the slide.
He's gonna be afraid. It's gonna be hot. You wanna go up? Go. Hot. Go. You're scared? He's scared of it. Go see Papa. Papa, look. Go. Look. Go. Is that slide? Go. Go. Come. Wow. Go. Go, baby, go. Go. Go, baby. Bubble. See if he's gonna see me through here, okay? Hey, Ty. Hey, come. Come. Tyler, come. Come, baby, come. Come. Come here. Mama is just here. Come, baby, come. Come on. Come. Good job. Good job. Good job. Bubble. Bubble, mon amour. Good job. Allez. Come, Papa, come. 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 Whoa. Babe. Try to see if he'll go on this green one. Come. Come. Go to Papa. Come on. You see which one I'm talking? This green big one. Go with him halfway and show him me down the bottom. I'm here, okay? Go, Taylor, go! Whoa! Good job! He's looking for you. Go, baby, go. Go, Tyler, go. Go. Bubble. No, this one, this one. Ready? 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 That was fun. That was fun. Hold it. Yeah. Oh, we're gonna go ahead.
again?
Yeah.
Alright, you.
Coming down. Oh my god! You're fun! You wanna go back?
So attends, is it bien toi tu arrêtes, toi tu arrêtes parce que tu nous fais une tête
Come baby, come! Whoa! Whoa! Come on. Tyler, go that way. Look, Papa. Hey, go to that one. Look, look, go to that one. Touch it. Go and touch it. Go. Go touch it. Come, Papa, come. This one. Look. You don't want to touch it, look, like this. Touch it. You don't want to touch it? No, you're not a fan of that one? You're gonna get back your slippers then. Let's go. Let's put back your slippers and go. Woo! Oh my god! You guys, look at me like a big kid. I'm having so much fun, and Taylor is having just as much. Look at him. Go, baby, go. Go, Taylor, go. Go, 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 go. Whoa. Yeah. Jump, baby, jump, 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 jump. Jump, Papa, jump, jump. Jump, Ty.
Viens mettre le chapeau. Bah, mais dis-moi s'il est là. Il est là.
He's having the time of his life. Look at him. Go, baby! Go, baby! Jump! Yes! He's looking for me. Yes, boo boo. Go, baby, go. Jump, 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 jump. He doesn't get the concept of jumping properly. Go, baby, go. You guys, there are so many bounce-a-bouts and rides and water litter parks and slides and zip line. So many things for Tyler to do. He has so much to choose from, no age restriction, and he's just having a blast completely. He's having so much fun. Yeah, he's coming. Go, Tyler, go. Come, baby, come. Come. Bubba, good job. This ride is Tyler's favorite. And he's loving it by himself this time. He don't need me anymore. Go, baby, go. Go. Come, baby, come. Come, Ty. Whoa! Babu! Babu! I'm going with Tyler this time. We're building memories, honey. In his favorite slide. They're up there. He's having so much fun. You're having the time of your life, huh? Man, I finally had my dream came true of seeing Tyler riding those bounce-a-bout. I'm actually resting because he and I just had so much fun inside one of them. Inside this big one over here. And he and Babe gone to the water section because he's been wanting to use his bucket and his spray pan. So Babe going to see if he can get him into the water. But he's having the time of his life, so that's awesome. This is the thing I enjoy the most about being a parent. It's just him having fun, seeing him growing up, seeing him going through all these phases and doing all these fun things. It's just simply amazing to see all these things happening. It just makes you feel so proud as a parent to know that, you know, it's your kid and you're letting him do normal kiddie stuff, and it's just amazing to see. So yeah, we're just here having a good time, and hopefully you guys are having an amazing Sunday. So happy Sunday, and we are having a good weekend, so that's awesome. Spending time as a family is what's important, and we're doing just that.
Assieds-toi, je t'arrive à chercher. Assieds-toi, donne-moi ton bug. Donne-moi ton bug.
Il y a même pas de petit.
Fais doucement.
Oh, t'es dans le bleu, 3 fois.
Hey fams, you guys, we are back home, and can you tell how tired I am? But it was all worth it, wasn't it, babe?
It was very good.
It was the best day ever. You guys know how happy Tyler is, and this happess that I saw in his eyes today was happiness to a whole new level. He was just having fun non-stop. I was like a big old kid in the park, just screaming and jumping and bounce-a-bout and sliding on rides, like on the slides, like oh my god. You know, as a kid growing up, I didn't really have these things growing up. We didn't have parks like these and stuff like that. It was when I got old and moved into the city from the rural area of Jamaica, I had a little fun time with bounce-a-bouts and slides. We used to have bounce-a-bout, but not so much. Like if we go to a school fair when we were younger, yes, we would have bounce-a-bout. But like on holidays like this, or like on weekends where you can just go somewhere and find it, no, not when I was growing up. I didn't have that. So right now, Tyler and I live in the moment together, and it's so good to share these moments with him and to see him just happy and jumping. And I've been wanting him to go in bounce-a-bout since forever. If you guys been watching us for a while, you guys know that I always want him to go into bounce-a-bout, and today he well, I live my dream today. I saw that happen, and just the reaction that I expected in my head, what I visioned in my head, it is the exact way that it happens. So that was good, and I was excited about that. But we're back, and your girl is cooking. Okay, I didn't waste no time because I'm hungry, so I just jump in the kitchen and I'm cooking. He's here playing his app as usual. Tyler, what do you want? What do you want? You want more nuts? He was eating almond nuts. Oh, you still have some. You're eating almond? Go ahead, baby. Oh my gosh, you guys, if you can smell how good in the kitchen it smells right now. Don't, babe?
I don't smell it.
You don't smell it? Oh Lord, what's wrong with your nose? You want more? You want more? Babe, go give him some almond. Just a little bit more, not too much.
Tell me that you want me to go in the kitchen to smell.
No, it doesn't really matter for me. Jamaican expression for today is me no want none. Me no want none simple means I don't want any. So there you guys have the Jamaican expression for today. Come. The Jamaican expression for today is me no want none.
Me no want none.
Yes.
Me no want none. Me want some. Me no want none.
You know what that means, right? Me no want none.
I don't want any.
Right. That's what it means.
Like I have nuts in my hand. Me want none.
No, you have to say me want some.
You want some?
Right, if you want it.
Me no one on.
No, me no want none.
Me no one on. Me don't know one on.
No, you can't say that. Because no is like don't.
Yeah.
Right. So me no want none. I don't want any. That's what it means.
Right.
What's the French expression or French word for today?
Yeah, just the word for today, because I realized that we say it a lot and we never give you a translation, is bisou. Bisou just means kiss. So because I try to talk, not I try, I talk in French to Tyler, so maybe you hear me a lot saying bisou when Tyler come and kiss. So bisou mean kiss. Say it.
Bisou, bisou, bisou,
Right.
bisou.
No R in this one.
No R in this one, so this one is easy. So there you guys have the French word for today. Bisou. Bisou, Tyler. Bisou, mama. You're giving Papa ma bisou, Mama bisou.
Bisou, mama.
Give Mama bisou. Merci. Thank you. He loves his bisou. Well, every French kids love their kisses. Tradition. Okay guys, so dinner is ready. That's the end result. Steamed chicken and veggies, and that's Stella mash creamy cheesy cream potatoes. So I put some cheese in it, but he's actually taking a little nap because he's super tired. But we're gonna go ahead and have dinner. Hi faves, so it's the next day and I'm just coming on to end the vlog. After that long day, we went to bed. We were so tired. Put Tala to bed and then we went to bed. and he's here. Come. He's up this morning. Tala, look. Say bye bye. Blow them kisses.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Thank you guys for always watching. We love you guys. Thanks for all the support. If you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. Catch up and keep up. And we'll see you guys tomorrow.